Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be showing you super useful Excel trick that can make your data management and tracking lot easier. We will be learning how to insert checkboxes in Excel. Whether you are tracking tasks, creating to-do list or conducting surveys, checkboxes are the great visual way to organize and manage your data. So let's dive right in.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
Before we start adding checkboxes, make sure you have your Excel spreadsheet ready with the data you want to work with. For this demonstration, we will be using this to-do list. To insert checkboxes in Excel, you need to enable the Developer tab first. If you already have it enabled, you can skip this step. Otherwise, don't worry, it's a quick and straightforward process. So let's learn. For this purpose, I'll go to the File. Then I will go to the More and then select Option. Under the option, I will go to the Customize ribbon. Then I will check the Developer and click OK. So now you can see that the Developer tab is right next to the View tab. Now after enabling the Developer tab, I will click it. Now I will go to the Insert and under the Insert, I will select this checkbox from the Form Control list. Now you can see that the cursor is changed into the plus sign, which means that I can draw the checkbox anywhere in my spreadsheet. So in this cell I have created this checkbox. Now to change its some properties, I will right click it and then go to the Format control. Here in this Format control, I can have different options for the color, lines, size, protection and other things. I can also edit the text with this checkbox by right clicking it and then go to the Edit Text. Or I can just delete it with the backspace and the delete button. Once you set its formatting, you are all done. Now you just need to put your cursor on the bottom right corner of this cell and then drag it to the right. Similarly, you can drag it down to apply this in the columns. Now the next thing is, if you don't need a checkbox, how you can delete it. For this purpose, we have to right click on any checkbox and then simply press cut. So you can see that we have deleted the checkbox. And there you have it. You have learned how to create checkboxes in Excel, customize them and use them for the data analysis. Now you can efficiently manage your tasks, create interactive forms or organize your data like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.